औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स एंड ऐसे टॉपिक्स फॉर CSS 2022 शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। इन टॉपिक्स को आपने लाजमी प्रिपेयर करना है बिकॉज दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। चैलेंजेस टू नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन इन पाकिस्तान, वाटर क्राइसिस इन पाकिस्तान, द शैडो ऑफ कॉलोनियल मेंटालिटी, एनर्जी क्राइसिस इन पाकिस्तान, economic crisis in Pakistan, challenges and remedies, Kashmir crisis, historical timeline, the world after pandemic, has COVID-19 killed globalization, education in the pandemic age, creation of new provinces in Pakistan, challenges and recommendations, CPAC Phase 2, prospects and challenges, debating the civil services right in Pakistan, Kashmir conundrum and the geopolitical dynamics of the subcontinent, governance issues post 18th Amendment, judiciary in Pakistan, ills and remedies, digital education, a growing opportunity, e-commerce in Pakistan, prospects and challenges, should Pakistan form new provinces, Pak-India relations, a hope for peace, time to steer towards sustainability, civil services reforms, reforming the electoral regime in Pakistan, IMF bailouts and the way to get out of the crisis, how can a positive social change occur in Pakistan, the what, why and how of FATF, IMF bailouts for Pakistan, bane or boon, increase in crimes against women in Pakistan, the world after pandemic, Afghan peace talk, is the war really ending, assessing the Abraham Accord, the bipolar state of international politics, fear versus hope.